What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Because the weather was nice today, I happened to see some awesome cars out today, and I saw this Alfa Romeo that I had never seen before. In fact, I had to look it up when I got back. It's actually, I believe, a 1977 Alfa Romeo Montreal, and what's really interesting about this car is that it was actually designed as a concept car in the 60s and was so well received that they went into production from 1970 to 1977. Even though the concept car had a four-cylinder engine, this ended up having the V8 engine that produced 200 horsepower, 2.6 liter with a 5-speed manual. Now, what was really cool about this car is it was immaculate. In fact, it had dual chronometers, I believe, attached to the dashboard, so it really had some racing inspired aspirations to it. It really looked great. Even the paint and all of the wheel finishes looked absolutely spectacular. And so I looked up this car, and they didn't make very many of them. Even though it had a 7-year run, they really produced only about 3,900 of them. And when I looked online at prices on these cars, it really seemed like good examples would go for easy six figures, $100,000 to about $110,000. It looked like some with the less desirable colors like the blue or green in rougher conditions could be had for more affordable numbers. But pretty awesome car. I love the Italians. This one was pretty cool because it has a modern look, even though it was built in the 70s. Check it out. The Alfa Romeo Montreal. Peter Von Panda, out.